Sige. Hello, Ma'am LB. Happy 60th birthday para sa imuha. I know you are so blessed having your family. And of course, having us, your big family too. So, mamiss na ko ang pag-join sa imong birthday celebration. But anyways, nakasend ko ani nga birthday greetings para sa imo. So, naami diri ni Maymay sa Villa Amparo Beach Resort sa Samal, attending this God seminar. But sa among pag-uli, mag-enjoy lagi hapon ta, mag-celebrate ta again. So, continue the good work as a new vlogger. More vlogs to come. Oh, to God be the glory for your life. God bless and more power.
Go.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Elvie! Wishing you good health, happiness, and continued success. Have a wonderful day!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Elvie! Your leadership and dedication continue to inspire. Wishing you a fantastic year ahead.
Oh.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Elvie, from Mahal Elementary School!
Hi, good afternoon. This is my birthday greetings to my beautiful sister, Miss Madam LB Lucainon Taclison. Being happy birthday. May Almighty God will bless you all the time and give you good health and whatever you dream, unta matupad ang tanan nimong mga pangarap sa kinabuhi uban sa imong mga pamilya. God bless you always. From greetings from Jundi, Irene, Julian, and Ina, and from Bhutan with love. Happy birthday and enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Hello, good afternoon to my sister LB Taclison Lucainon. Being today is your birthday, I wish you happy birthday and unta enjoy ka sa imong birthday. Being today is March 17. You're already 60 years old and welcome to the clan. You're already senior citizen being. So, I pray good health and padayon sa imong kamayo being. Then, padayon sa imong pag-vlog. Maybe next week, next month, next year, one of the most vlogger. Teacher o vlogger. Then, happy birthday. I love you, sister. Imbitahan ko kay man ako, sister. Bye. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday.
Hello, my Bing. Happy 60th birthday. Enjoy your day and stay good health. Adunta ma-successful na imong pag-vlogging. Wala na rin, vloggers tong pamilya. Happy birthday, my Bing.
Hello guys, maing buntag ug hapon naman siguro karon oy. Palihog ko sa kong iyaan diha nga nag-birthday karon si Mami Beng. Nga unta nga birthday man nimo karon, mahatagan ko nimo og regalo sa imong birthday. Unta nga madungog na ugma. Happy birthday, more blessing and more birthday. Thank you and chup chup mwa all of you. I love you. Happy birthday.
Hello te. Happy 60th birthday. Senior citizen na ginta pero gapag yapon. Ang ako lang wish sa imong hati nga unta tagaan kong taas pa nga kinabuhi, good health, more blessings to come pag unta sa imong haping. Deserve yun nimo mahimong mayaman, more earnings to come sa imong pag-vlog pod o more earnings pag unta kay kabalugyo ko nga. Medyo ka dalo manghatagon kay ka mangginatag. So helpful kumbaga. And salamat sa tanan tiyo sa mga tabang nimo sa mga kabalo na kaanak. Ginoo na lang bahala magbalo sa imong ha. And unta happy na gud ang imong life. Dili na kayo stress free na unta ka o lagi kayo laing makuha sa inyo tinong kay food package naman gud ka. And happy birthday tay. Happy lang ang life. Celebrate lang dira nga kanang happy unta og lang makana og dinha puhon-puhon daghang kay problema pero salamat sa kanang happy birthday. Happy birthday, Auntie.